welcome back. Today's the whole video is going to be about this little camera, which is where is this? DJI Osmo Action 3 camera. We got it just yesterday, and today I came to this this beautiful place in Qingdao City. It's the seaside. I'm gonna shoot on this camera, and I thought these guys, these guards are coming for me, but not. Okay, before we get started, I'm not going to talk about some complicated technical aspects about this camera, like how many millions of colors the sensor can pick. So what I want to do is I'm gonna switch to this camera, walk along this beach, go that direction, and just shoot and see how well this camera can do. And yeah, by the way, I have at least 3 more things I want to test for sure. DJI claims that this camera, one battery, can last for 160 minutes of recording non-stop. It's like really a lot. I want to test the battery, the windproof, and just general using experience, how comfortable, how easy to use this thing. Yeah, that's all. So I'm gonna switch to this camera in 3, 2, 1. So how is it? The first look. I think it looks great. I really appreciate this little screen on the front, so I still can see what I'm shooting. Bye bye, Canon. Alright, this feels much more comfortable to walk around with. Look at this view, and I feel so easy to carry this camera, because that one is like, I don't know, half kg. This one is like one little test while I'm still here. This camera has 3 different wide angles. This is the first one, standard. Kind of keeps everything in shape, in natural shape. It doesn't bend the edges. And right now we got second wide angle. You see the pillar, it kind of bends a little bit. And now we got the third option, which is ultra wide. See, take a look at this pillar. It really bends right now. I can see that, and see my fingers become longer over here on the edge. I don't really like this kind of wide a natural angle. I'm walking right now away from the sun, so the sun is right in front of me. The quality of the picture must be really good right now. And if I turn, I look like this. I think it's not a surprise, because the sun is right there. That's why I become so dark. You know what is great on this little Osmo camera is to have 2 screens. One is here, one is here. I mean, I knew that this camera has 2 screens, but I didn't appreciate that much the value of these 2 screens. See, for example, if I want to record something, you see the beautiful, whatever beautiful, and then I can just flip the camera and I can see myself. I don't need to flip the screen and doing something else. It's just so convenient. See, Qingdao City is actually a pretty windy place, especially during winter and autumn and spring and summer, always. And that is why today I came to the beach and brought this camera, because I really wanted to test how good is this microphone, because again, DJI company claims that the microphone on this camera is so good and so wind resistant, so I won't need to worry about this at all. I have my previous camera over here. It's Sony X3000, and check out this. I attached here like little piece of sponge, and underneath that sponge there's a microphone. If I record anything on this camera when it's windy outside, the footage sounds just terrible. Here, however, I don't really want to do that, and actually I cannot, because see, 2 mics, 1 and 2, and I cannot actually cover them, because this letter O has a sensor. It's a temperature and light sensor, as far as I know. Whatever, I just cannot cover this. So this camera just must do very good job about wind resistance. By the way, I just saw that boat, and one other idea came to my mind. This camera has zoom in option. I'm really curious how good quality is if I zoom in, so let's find out right now. Boat is right there. Alright, here we go. This is double zoom. This is 3 times. This is 4. That's probably the most weird thing I saw in Qingdao so far. That guy was fishing, and he's still fishing, and he wears a tuxedo. Probably he's trying to impress the fish. I don't know. Right. But I also like this magnetic mount over here. This part comes with the camera, and I can easily attach it just like this. However, I bought the simplest set of this camera, just camera, the battery, that's all. So they didn't give me any holder like this. This holder actually I have for a long time is my old camera. See, the previous camera Sony has this kind of like screw mount over here for holders, and this one has only magnetic one. The Osmo has only magnetic one. So what I did, I just unscrewed this part. Here was different holder with a screw for the Sony camera, and I attached this new Osmo simply like this. And now this holder, which used to be for this camera only, became a holder for Osmo camera as well. Now government set everywhere this kind of cameras, and see, it's pointing over here, so we can stand here. Very nice view. You will pay through WeChat with this QR code, probably like, I don't know, 10-50 RMB. Yeah, with this kind of view, which is great if you don't have a camera and still want to take a picture at this beautiful place. Last time I saw you like far away from here in Hall of the People. Yeah, it was also your car, I think. Same car, same. Oh, thank you. See ya. Alright, when I'm having my coffee, you have a chance to take a look at some slow motion videos. So I'm going back to the lighthouse because I just saw sun is so huge. It's sunset time, and the first time when I see this kind of orange, almost red sun, I really want to take a look closer. The lighthouse and the sun. It's so amazing view. Look at this. Alright, that's pretty much it. I don't know how this footage looks like, and I'm not going to make a long speech like this camera is good or this camera is bad, the quality is good or it's bad. You could see it by yourself. The whole thing, I'm not going to edit, I'm not going to color grade or do something like this. I will just cut and make a video. What else? It's quite cold right now here, but still, look at this. I'm gonna miss this place.